Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Kamakhya. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss on the best review of the smartphone iQOO Neo 10R 5G. The iQOO Neo 10R 5G is set to launch in India on March 11, 2025. This upcoming smartphone is expected to offer a blend of high-end specifications and competitive pricing, aiming to cater to both performance enthusiasts and general users. Display and design. The iQOO Neo 10R 5G is anticipated to feature a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and an enhanced viewing experience. The device will be available in two color options, Raging Blue and Moonlight Titanium, both featuring a dual-tone finish with a snorkel camera module on the rear. Under the hood, the smartphone is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. This configuration should provide robust performance for multitasking and gaming. The device is also rumored to support a 2000 Hz instant touch sampling rate and stable 90 frames per second gameplay, enhancing the gaming experience. In terms of photography, the iQOO Neo 10R 5G is expected to sport a dual camera setup on the rear, comprising a 50MP Sony LYT600 primary sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS) and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. For selfies and video calls, a 16MP front-facing camera is anticipated. Battery and charging. The device is likely to be equipped with a 6,400 mAh battery supporting 80W fast charging, ensuring extended usage with minimal downtime. Price and availability. The iQOO Neo 10R 5G is expected to be priced under 30,000 Indian rupees in India, making it a competitive option in its segment. Post-launch, the smartphone will be available for purchase via Amazon India and iQOO's official website. Overall, the iQOO Neo 10R 5G appears to be a promising device, offering a high refresh rate display, powerful processor, capable camera setup, and fast-charging battery, all at a competitive price point. The iQOO Neo 10R 5G is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone segment, offering a powerful Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, high refresh rate AMOLED display, capable dual camera system, and a large 6,400 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. With the 144 Hz refresh rate, 90 frames per second gaming support, and 2000 Hz instant touch sampling, this phone is ideal for gamers and power users looking for a smooth and responsive experience. The 50MP primary camera with OIS ensures quality photography, while the 16MP front camera caters to selfie lovers. At an expected price of under 30,000 Indian rupees, the iQOO Neo 10R 5G offers great value for money, especially with its premium performance and features. If you're looking for a fast, reliable, and gaming-friendly smartphone, this could be an excellent choice when it launches on March 11, 2025. Thanks for watching.